Hey there, I'm Brit, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have this gorgeous two-bedroom condo in Ocean Reef. As you can see, the beautiful Gulf of Mexico is behind me, and I cannot wait to check out this unit. Let's go see. So we're checking out this condo at Ocean Reef. Great two-bedroom, two-bath. What I love about it is as you enter into this unit, you've got a nice spacious kitchen and you're overlooking the gorgeous Gulf of Mexico with those beautiful sliding glass doors and that nice big spacious balcony. You can see the Gulf from just about every angle in this open concept living kitchen area. As you go into the living area, you've got a little nook close to the primary bedroom, again, that allows you that gorgeous Gulf view. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Bedrooms are nice and spacious in this unit. Everything is rental ready. One of the things I love about the ensuite primary bedroom is it's overlooking that gorgeous Gulf of Mexico again. You have balcony access and gorgeous Gulf views when you wake up from your bedroom. So one of the things that people love about Ocean Reef are these gorgeous, spacious balconies. In addition to that, you've got a heated Gulf Front pool overlooking the sandy beaches when you're not in the mood for the water. You've also got a hot tub with Gulf views. And if you're not in the mood for being out in the sun, they also have a heated indoor pool as well. Another thing that's really great about this location is you have access to a beautiful waterfront restaurant nearby. Runaway Island is close by. You don't even have to get in the car. And for a donut hankering in the morning, you've got a Murray Donuts. This is the place to be. Make sure you ask your agent about it today. Don't go anywhere just yet. Make sure you scroll down and check out the links below. There you're going to find extra information about this great property, extra photos, and just who to contact if you want to check it out yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future beach deals like this one.